The EB-5 program was created by the US Congress in 1990 to boost the American economy. By investing as little as $800,000 in a qualifying US business, you and your immediate family can obtain a conditional green card. This investment pathway offers an efficient route to US residency. Many applicants are able to move to the United States within approximately 18 to 24 months after applying. With the EB-5 visa, your investment not only secures your future in the US, but also offers the freedom to live, work, and study anywhere in the country. There are two main ways to invest. Firstly is direct investment. You invest directly in a business and are involved in its management and job creation. Secondly is regional center investment. You invest through a government-approved regional center, which handles project management and job creation for you. In this video, we will focus on regional center investment. The minimum investment for the EB-5 program is $800,000 if the project is in a targeted employment area, which includes rural or high unemployment regions. For projects outside TEA, the required investment rises to $1,050,000. In both cases, your investment must create at least 10 full-time jobs for US workers within 2 years, ensuring your contribution supports economic growth and employment. Why choose EB-5? Here are the top benefits. Your whole family is covered, spouse and children under 21. You have access to subsidized education and US Social Security. It is an easy residency. You can just stay for 1 day in the US every 6 months. It is also highly regulated for your security. Plus, it leads to US citizenship. Here's how the EB-5 process works step by step. First is consultation. We assess your goals and eligibility for the EB-5. Next is document collection and power of attorney. We will gather essential paperwork. Thirdly is source of funds check. You need to prove that your investment funds are legal. This will take around 1 to 2 months. The fourth step is project selection and subscription. You need to choose your investment. This will take another 1 to 2 months. The fifth step is fund transfer. You need to move your investment into escrow. The sixth step is I-526E petition. For this petition, you need to prepare and submit your application. The seventh step is immigration process. This stage will take about 1.5 years. The eighth step is interview and green card application. You will be performing health and criminal checks. Then your interview for EB-5 will be about 6 months. The ninth step is a conditional green card. You and your family will receive a 2-year green card. On the final step is I-829E petition. After 2 years, you can apply for your permanent green card and get your investment back. Your investment must come from lawful sources. One of the sources is loans. This must be secured by your property or business equity, and you'll need to show how you obtained the collateral. The other lawful source is gifts. This is allowed, but you must prove the original source. So, who can apply with you? Your spouse can apply, but you must be married at the time of application. For your children to apply with you, they must be under 21 and unmarried. Stepchildren and adopted children can also qualify under certain conditions. Choosing the right project or regional center is crucial. You need to ask, what's their track record? How many I-526E and I-829E petitions have they had approved? What's their investment payback record? How many jobs do they create per investor? What's the security and collateral? What are the management fees and returns? If the project finishes early, how will your funds be redeployed? Generally, a conservative advice would be to seek a reputable regional center that offers moderate returns instead of lucrative returns that might be high-risk projects. The aim is to secure your US green card and get your investment capital back, but this should not be viewed as an avenue to earn maximum ROI, as that is not the objective of the program. There are two important aspects of the EB-5 process. First, after your EB-5 application is approved and you receive your visa, you have a 6-month window to enter the United States. This means your visa is valid for 6 months and you must arrive within this period to officially activate your green card status. Planning your move within this time frame is crucial to ensure a smooth transition for you and your family. Secondly, if the main investor passes away before the I-526E petition is approved, unfortunately, the EB-5 process is terminated for the whole family. However, if the main applicant has already received the conditional green card, the family's status is protected. Even in the event of the main applicant's death after this stage, the spouse and eligible children can still proceed to obtain their permanent green cards. Understanding these rules helps you plan with confidence, knowing both your timeline for entering the US and the security of your family's future in case of unforeseen events. Ready to take the next step? We'll guide you every step of the way because your future deserves the right migration partner. Contact us for private consultation. Global Migration Solutions, we will take you there.